In this tutorial, I'm showing you how to make easy baked tilapia fish. It's super quick and easy if you're short on time, and it's gonna be so delicious. If you're new to my channel, I'm Julie with Mint Personal Chef, and I release new cooking tutorials and recipes all the time, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. If you're ready, let's get cooking. For yourself, check out the recipe down below in the video description. Also, there's a link for my full Meal Prep Academy course if you want to learn how to meal prep for yourself. Thanks for watching. Happy eating!